everyone. We stayed at the hotel last night where we were staying, got about 40 mils of rain overnight. There's lots of thunder, lots of lightning, so we're pretty happy. We stayed at the hotel and we'll stay there again tonight. It was really nice to have a long shower.
It was nice.
Wash my hair and all those things. So this morning we're not probably going to do much snorkeling or any snorkeling today because the weather, as you can see, is still horrible. It's like maybe 19 degrees outside, pretty windy, and it's still raining. So we will just head out and see what we can find. We'll go to the Irukandji Shark Ray Centre today. And then just see what else we can find along the way.
We'll have a look around Newcastle, but apparently Newcastle's all about beaches, which it is. We can't really do much because of the weather, which is just unfortunate.
We'll go look at the beaches though, and look at the baths, and look at the pools and swimming. Yeah, so we'll get into that soon.
Hey guys, we're here at Irukandji. So, might pay to book. We got in, we were pretty lucky.
There's only two of us.
Yeah, so a lot of families got turned away because of bookings, just school holidays and all that sort of stuff. But as you can see, it's super busy.
So we'll go feed some animals.
Yeah, you're allowed to go in, walk in and feed the sharks and rays. They tell you how to do it, so we'll get it.
Is that prawn? Yeah. Nice. You're videoing? Yeah. Oh, there he is. Snorkeling.
I'm going to give him a pat too. That's a little tantrum, so his mouth is all the way underneath.
Little tantrum.
Get out of the thing. That's a soul if you can't.
Oh, that's funny. He's turning on.
It's a
Big
tantrum.
personality. Got another one coming there.
That's hilarious.
Will he still take that little bit?
Yeah.
Yep.
They've got a huge vacuum force.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a lot greater than the pegs. Yeah, Nick energy.
Yeah. You go, just say thank you. Yeah, you got it.
The ones that hang around with backpacks. They're not eating. They're like hot backpacks.
Oh no, he's gone under.
Yeah, he's coming up.
Is he?
You want to get wet regardless today.
Thanks. Look at him. That's so funny.
You're awesome.
The tawny nurse shark.
There's all these eggs inside her, and they all fight to the death inside the mum, and only two
Once
survive.
they hatch inside mum, and they fight to the death, and only two survive. But they didn't come up to the beach during the shark show.
Do you know why they're called eels? This is a scientific fact.
Why?
Look at them. And look at me. Ew!
They are gross.
They kind of come from nowhere. Like you think that they're He's a little turd.
So that was the Irukandji Shark Ray encounters, and that was excellent.
That's
we
really
got
good.
to
Really good.
pat stingrays, feed them. The shark show, the shark didn't actually come up, so that was a bit funny. We were going to do a meet the shark, but we decided against it because it's so busy there. We thought we'll let everyone else have the opportunity. Some people were getting turned away at the door if they had a larger group, so just book online before you go.
Well, we thought because it was wet and rainy and it's sort of outdoor, it wouldn't be busy, but apparently because it's wet and rainy, everyone's going there. So
because they can't go to the beach.
But that's fine.
So and it's school holidays, so yeah, just book online, and highly recommend it for your kids. And also the encounters looked really good, so you get to go in and actually meet and pat and feed them.
And the encounters weren't super expensive either, like $80, including your entry plus your encounters and everything, which I think is quite good value, really.
Yeah. So we're on to the next stop. Where is that now?
We're just heading into Newcastle, into the heart of Newcastle. We'll have a bit of a look around. We've never been there. Everyone says we should go there because it's got beautiful beaches, and look at the weather outside.
So we'll drive past the beaches, but we're definitely not going to be swimming in this weather. So we're here at Newcastle. It's blowing a gale. Driven along the foreshore, but we didn't really get out because it was too windy, but it's still good. So Clint's found some old buildings he wants to go and look at. Spied them from the road. I don't know what it is.
I'll go get my... I don't think I'm the first one to go through those bars, considering they were very, 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 very bent. There's absolutely no way of me getting up that. I'm definitely not that sort of athlete. Let's see if we can have a look though. That's what I was looking at before. Come down to here. Pretty cool. It's not full, you can see.
So today we just had a look around Newcastle, and it was a bit the weather was too bad to really go out, so we had a bit of a look around, and then we went to the shopping mall, had a look around the shopping mall, and went out for tea. Then we went to Time Zone, and Clint won me some lovely little Care Bears in the skill tester. He's very good at skill testers, so I got these two, which I love. As you know me, I love little things like this. So we had a great day today, even though it didn't go to plan with the weather, it was still really good. We also decided to go to a laundromat and we did all the washing from the whole of our trip. I can't even remember the name of the place, but it was really cheap. I think it ended up costing us about $40 or something like that to do a few loads of washing and then a few loads in the dryer. So we literally got everything washed. So that was a really good thing as well from today. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our travels and keep an eye out for the next episode on this trip.